welcome to the show.
Rascally TV. What are we doing today, Lokes? What is all?
We're making a pumpkin pie. Making a pumpkin pie.
We're making a construction truck pumpkin pie. And this is the job site. And we need to get all of our ingredients back into the back of Big Tonka, right?
My bucket can hold lots of food.
Yeah.
Look at that bucket.
Look at that bucket. Are we ready?
Sure.
Yeah. Back Big Tonka up to the crane. Let's hoist it up. Turn the crank. This is the allspice. Okay, Logan, can you gently take the allspice out and put it in the back of Big Tonka? Good job! Lowering it down. Okay, get that sugar in there.
Wait, he's the boss.
He's the boss? Hey, get that in there. In the back of Big Tonka. Very good. Lower the elevator.
The last one.
Okay, Logan. Time to get. The brown sugar has to go in the elevator.
Good.
Lift up the elevator. Okay. Big Tonka, back up. Beep, 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 beep. Good job. Lower the elevator. Okay. Time to get the spoons. The spoons. Very good. Logan's doing so good. Okay. Awesome job. Oh, we lost the spoon. That's a safety hazard. Spoon goes in the Big Tonka. Very good. Okay, lower it down. Time to get that one in there. The whisk has to go in there next. Yes. Oh, that's perfect. He's doing so good. Crank it up. Crank it up. Very good. Okay. Take the bowl. This bowl. Put it on there.
Too big.
Flip it over. There we go. Okay, now very carefully because we do not want it to dump. Okay, so drive it over to the counter. Beep, beep. Okay, let me lift it up, okay? Okay, let's unload. Let's unload. Can you use your grappling hands to unload it? Awesome job. Okay, we have to go back for the second trip. Come on. Good to see you made good time, Logan. Okay, let's lift up this. That's heavy. I think we should only make one trip with this. This is the pumpkin filling. Okay, I think the eggs need to go in the elevator. Rising up.
Don't spill.
Don't spill. Okay, dump truck. Where are you? Very good. And we need the milk.
I think it's going to spill when we pick it up.
Let's drive it over to the counter, to the job site.
I want to do it.
I'm going to lift it up because it can really spill really easy.
A little bit more closer.
There we go. Thanks, dump truck, for your help. Let's park you back where you belong. You need Owen? We're going to dump out Owen?
Yeah.
Okay, we need him. There we go. Okay, we need your supervision. Come on, boss. Okay. Okay, we got our construction trucks here. And
I know you.
oh, wait, Logan.
What?
We have a special edition to help us make our pumpkin pie.
Yes.
Should we go get him?
Yes.
Show the kids what he is. What do you think he is?
An excavator.
An excavator? Okay, let's go see. Okay, so we got a new driven backhoe to help us make our pumpkin pie. Cool, hey? Let's open them up. There we go. Flip it over. Oh, he must have done. Cool. Oh, cool. You like them? Hear that engine? Yes, stabilizer's cool. Let's make a bucket. Cool. You're welcome to be here. He's going to help us make the best pumpkin pie. Nice. Okay. So we have not the wet stuff. How about you do it? Yeah, can you dump it in the bowl? To help spoon it in. So we'll Good boy. Okay, now we have to put the spices. Hey, Logan. Dump it into the thing. You're going to spill. Good boy. Good job, Taco. Good job. beep, 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 beep. Take it to the bowl. Beep, 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 beep. Look at your shirt. Oh my gosh. Can you stir all this together? Let's use the whisk. Can you use the whisk? Are you eating that sugar? Oh, yes, I can see what you're doing really good. Okay. So good. Yes, Logan, you're doing very good. Can I get a high five? Lego high five. Good ball.
Is that too hard?
Oh no, I'm a tough construction guy.
They're not. What about this?
Okay. Oh, I think you broke my knuckle. You gonna sit there? Ah!
Oh.
Oh no. It tastes delicious. Oh, I think I need a bath. Oh. Give me a kiss, Logan. Give me a kiss. Oopsie.
There's all the juices.
Let's whisk it all together.
Hey, Owen.
We got our pumpkin poured in, our pumpkin mixture poured in. Oh, we have a big dinosaur here. Did someone say dinosaur? Why is there a dinosaur here? How come I can't escape the dinosaurs?
Owen, you're supposed to see it. You should. You're supposed to see. Oh, it's the dinosaur.
I'm tired of being around the scary T-Rexes. What? Did you hear that, kid? It's a nice dinosaur. I cannot believe this. Okay, nice dinosaur. Let's stamp your feet into the pie crust. Pie crust.
So like,
Okay, I think he's ready to go into the oven. Okay, so it's in the oven. You guys worked really hard, the construction crew. We can't thank you enough for all your hard work. Oh, thank you! You guys did so great. Thank you. I did good too. You guys did such a good job with all your construction work and hard work. We couldn't have done it without you guys. You guys are some hard-working construction trucks. Halos, aren't they hard-working construction trucks? Okay, the pie is in the oven. It's going to be ready, and we'll let the kids know how it is when it's ready, okay? Can you say mmm? Okay, kids, we'll let you know as soon as it's ready. Check it. It's beeping. Watch out, it's hot. Oh, there is our pumpkin pie. Flo, you think that we should try a bite? Okay, what am I using? Who wants pumpkin pie? So you take your bite of my very first homemade pumpkin pie. Well, yeah, so whipping cream. Yeah, I gotta have whipping cream, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is Daddy doing?
It's November. What? What's so funny? That's
Pop! Can you say bye to the kids?
bye. Oh.
Oh! Oh! You didn't like my pumpkin pie? Let me eat it then. Yeah, I know. I see it on the floor. Oh wow, that's a lot. Oh my god. Open up.
I need more whipping cream. That's a lot. A little bit more.
What do you say is a lot?
Yeah, a lot.
Oh, you end up eating it off the floor, Liddy?
Like that.
Oh! Maybe a spoon would have been better.
Mm-hmm.